Hi, Bubbles. Manly.
What are you guys doing in here?
Oh, my God.
It's quite the scene.
A friend he's looking at differently, but it's wrong. It's Rachel.
You like Rachel?
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to say Chandler. As a joke.
It's a crush. It's gonna go away. Dude, you gotta rearrange your bubbles. Whoa.
I was thinking that, actually.
Hey! Oh, hi. Hey.
Well, everyone's in here.
What are we all doing in here? Oh, my.
He's so chill about it. Hey!
Well, hey, what's going on? Ooh, cool boat. Oh, no.
Oh, God.
Did you tell him?
No, I was waiting for you. Tell us what? We're having a girl. Oh,
Chandler's little hand.